today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And today we are going to talk about the alphabet. But not all, only some. But before that, I want you to dance with me because today I feel like dancing again. Do you want to dance? Do you know the song? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. Do you know that song? Yeah, that's the one that we are going to sing and dance today. Okay, I think I am ready. Are you ready? Let's do it. Listen and dance. And also, if you know the song, you can sing with me. Put your hands on your waist. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When I get all steam up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Whoop! Hands on your waist. Everybody please dance. One more time. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When I get all steam up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Whoop! Okay, I think that's enough for today's exercise. Now I want you to please show me your fingers. I want to see if your nails are clean. If your nails are long, you tell your mom or your dad or your grandmother or your grandfather to please cut your nails. Okay? I want you to cut and cut and cut and cut. So all of us will have a clean fingernails. Okay? Good job. Now, can you please give me a high five? High five! Ching. Okay, now come here with me and let's start our lesson. Hello there! So I am back and as you can see, ta-da, we have here the English alphabet. That's right. If you know the song A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. If you know that song, I'm sure you are also familiar with the English alphabet. I think so. Okay, so now Teacher Donna will teach you the sounds of some letters of the alphabet. But we are not going to study all because we don't have enough time. So I am going to divide all the letters. Okay? Please help me. Yesterday, we counted 1 to 10, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I am going to count 10 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, I am going to teach you the sounds of the 10 letters of the alphabet. So, from letter A to letter J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, we are going to study the sounds of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay? And tomorrow we will do letter K. But today, no. Today, only J. Okay? Alright, good job. Now let's start. Let's start with letter A. Oh, wait. I have here letter A. Ta-da! So as you can see, there is big letter A and small letter A. So here, we have A. Now, what is the sound of A? A sounds A, One more time. A sounds And how about this? Can you recognize this picture? This is an ant. Can you say that? Ant. Ant. Very good. Now let's have the second one. So letter A and letter B. So I have here big and small letter B. So what is the sound of letter B? B sounds B. 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 And how about this one? Can you tell me what's in the picture? It's a bat. Bat. B. 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 Bat. Correct. B. B. Bat. Don't forget that. A. B. B. Alright? Now let's have the next one. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we have A, B, B, C. I have here big and small letter C. So C sounds k, 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 k. Big and small letter C, and C sounds k. And how about this picture? I'm sure you know this. This is a cat. So you say seek cat. Seek cat. Good job. Very good. So A, B, B, C. Okay, now let's have the next one. Dun, 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 dun. We have A, B, C, and D, right? So I have here big and small letter D. This is big letter and small letter. So you say big and small letter D. And the sound of D is D. 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 And how about this picture? Can you recognize? Of course you know this. This is a dog, right? D. 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 Dog. D. D. Dog. Good job. We are finished with A, B, C, D, and letter E. So I have here big and small letter E. And E sounds E. 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 One more time. E. And what are these? Wow. There are two eggs. That's right. They are eggs. And how many eggs are there? 2. 1 and 2. There are 2 eggs. Now let's proceed to the next letter. We have letter F. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and letter F. Okay, I have here the letter F. So we have big letter F and small letter F. And the sound of letter F is, one more time. I think I have already said before that when you make the sound of letter F, you don't say no. You have to do like this, and then you have to blow some air. Very good. You have to try. Practice, practice, practice. Now once again, this is big and small letter F, and the F sounds. Good job. Okay, what's in the picture? Wow, I think this is a fan. Fan. So we use fan if it's hot, right? Okay, F, fan. Good job. Now let's move on to the next letter. We have letter G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the sound of letter G is... Wait, we have here big and small letter G. Big and small letter G. And the sound of letter G is G. 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 Big and small letter G. And G sounds G. And how about this one? What is this? This is a gun. Gun. Very good. Okay, so remember A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H. Yes, that's our next letter. So I have here big and small letter H. And the sound of H is very good. Good job. And let's see what's in the picture. Is this a bird? Bird starts with letter B, right? But this is letter H. Is this a chicken? But chicken starts with letter C. And this is letter H. So this is a hen. Yes, it's a hen. Very good. Hen is a female chicken. Again, one more time, you say hen. H, hen. Good job. Now let's proceed to the next letter. We have letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I have here big and small letter I. And the sound of I is E. Look at the mouth. E. So I, E, 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 E. I, E, 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 E. Very good. But remember, I has two sounds. Short I, which is E, and the long I, which is I. And let's check the picture. Okay, wow. This is an ice. And the sound of I here is long. You say ice. Ice. When you eat the ice, is it hot or cold? Is it cold? Yes, it's cold. Woo, it's cold, right? And you say ice. Very good. Now let's have the last one. Wow, we are almost done. We are done with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And the last one is letter J. Okay, let's get the letter J here. So I have here, as you can see, the big and small letter J. And J sounds J. 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 Yes, one more time. Big and small letter J. And the sound of J is J. Good job. How about this? So if letter J is J sound, so it must be a J sound too. It is a jar. Correct. It's a jar. Okay. So I think let's review all the letters and all the pictures in each letter. I am going to show you the letter and you're going to tell me what is the sound of the letter. Okay, are you ready? So let's start. What is the sound of letter J? J. Good job. And this is a jar. Okay, so one more time. J, J. Jar. How about this one? What is the sound of letter I? I, E. Right? I, E. But this one is ice. How about the sound of letter H? H. The sound of letter H is good job. And this is, what is this? Hen. Hen. Very good. Hen is a female chicken. Next one, what is the sound of letter A? A. And what is in the picture? It's an ant. Ant. Okay, good job. One more time. Ant. we have letter F. And what is the sound of letter F? F. And this is, what is this? A fan. Fan. Very good. Next letter, we have letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B, right? B, B. And what about this? What animal is this? Bat. So it's B, B, bat. Good job. And next letter, we have letter E. And E sounds I. E, I. And how about this? What are this? These are eggs. E, I, eggs. Next one, we have letter C. And the sound of C is K. C, K. Cat. One more time. C, K. Cat. Good job. Oops. Okay. Let me show you the next one. We have here big and small letter D, and the sound of D once again is D. D, D. And what's in the picture? It's a dog. D, D, dog. Good job. And next one we have letter G, and the sound of G is G. G, G. And this is, what's in the picture? Gun, right? G, G, gun. Very good. Now let's have the letter I. What is the sound of I again? E, right? I, E. But the picture here is long I, so you say ice. Ice. Good job. And the last one is letter J. And J sounds J. J. And it's a jar. Wow, I want you to give me a high five. Ching, ching, ching. Wow, good job. I think that we are done for today's lesson. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about the rest of the letters. Okay? So I hope that you practice at home, and I am going to see you again tomorrow. Goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow. Mwah.